welcome to Gordon Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. We have Wish Wednesday here, an opportunity for you guys to wish for songs on Gordon Guitar. And I read everything and try to come up with what I think is the best to bring up here on Gordon Guitar. And this time we have a song here wished from Lindsay Davis. You wished for this song from Powfu called I Hate Waking Up. Okay, so great choice. We had Powfu here before on the channel, and I know that he's very highly appreciated. So, I Hate Waking Up. This is especially for you, Lindsay Davis, and for all you Powfu fans. So let's start this one up. And I just want to mention this is pretty much based upon irregular picking pattern. We're not going to look at all these notes because it will be just too much info to take in. So we'll go with the chords, how they come in order, the chord progression, and with a simple strumming pattern that works very well for the song here. So that is what I'm going to give you here for this specific song. So we're going to start this one up with this capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have a couple of chords we need to learn. So let's look at the chords now first. The first one will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have F major chord here. So that will be F major 7, it's third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Alright, then we have A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally we have the D sus2. So that is open D, second G, third B, and open E. So there we have the 5 chords, I believe. Yeah, 5 chords. So yeah, we have this one chord progression that goes through the entire song. Before we look at that, we're gonna look and learn the strumming pattern, all right? So it will work with the same pattern here through the entire song, and C will be the first chord. So grab that C and we'll look at that now. So it goes like this, one round. All right, so it's down, 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 down. That is one round. So we'll start with down and then a longer pause, and then comes down, up, down. And this last down here, try to emphasize that a little bit more. I do it in the way that I'm really hit almost a full downstroke and really incorporate the last top strings down here. That's my way of highlighting this down, because the beat goes sort of on that down. So it will be like this. Okay, so down, down, down. All the other downs and ups, you can do some shorter downs and ups, but on that down, up, down, you try to do a full downstroke, okay? And then you end with down, up. So the full pattern will be down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, it's like this. So there we have the rhythm and the strumming. Now let's look at the chord progression. We have C, 4 rounds, then F major, 4 rounds, then back to C, 4 rounds. Okay, so we can hold there and start to do that. So C, 4, 2, 3, 4, and F. C, 3, is actually the whole song there. So just to repeat, C4, F major 4, back to C4, then A minor 2, G2, F2, and D sus 2. All right, so that is what you're gonna play through the entire song. I'm gonna give you one full chord progression round. Let's go. Yeah, so that's it, guys, and I really hope that you, especially you Lindsay Davis, enjoyed this, and all you Powfu fans. I hate waking up, so that's what he hates. I hate to separate from you guys, so I really hope you will come back here on Garden Guitar. We have a lot of things to do together, so yeah, stay tuned here on Garden Guitar, and most of all, play tuned.